Hello there, dear friends. Welcome to Nostal Garden, your cozy corner for timeless garden inspiration. Today, we've got something truly special just for you. If you love gardening and enjoy giving old things a new purpose, you're going to love this video. We'll show you 20 easy and heartwarming garden decor ideas you can make from items you probably already have at home. From old teacups to forgotten ladders, these DIY projects are gentle on the hands, light on the budget, and full of charm. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and stay with us until the end. There's magic waiting in every idea. Let's bring new life to old treasures together. Number 1. Teacup bird feeders. Give those old teacups a second life by turning them into charming bird feeders. Simply glue a cup to its saucer, attach it to a pole or hang it from a tree, and fill with birdseed. The familiar porcelain will bring a nostalgic feel to your garden while attracting sweet little songbirds. This simple project is gentle on the hands and easy on the joints, perfect for a relaxing afternoon. Not only are you recycling old crockery, but you're also adding a storybook charm that your grandchildren and feathered friends will love. Number 2. Vintage chair planters. Have an old wooden chair collecting dust? Remove the seat and place a flower pot or a lined basket inside the frame. Paint the chair in cheerful colors or let it wear its age with pride. Filled with vibrant flowers or trailing vines, it makes a unique vertical planter that adds personality and height to your garden. This low-effort project brings life back to both your garden and your old furniture. No bending or heavy lifting required. Number 3. Colander hanging baskets. That old metal colander in the kitchen can be repurposed into a rustic hanging planter. Its pre-drilled holes offer perfect drainage for plants. Line it with coconut fiber or moss. Add soil and your favorite blooms. Then hang it with sturdy chains. This easy DIY brings a countryside touch to your outdoor space and is especially satisfying when using items from your own kitchen. No tools, just creativity and a love for all things green. Number 4. Garden tool wind chimes. Don't throw away those rusty garden tools. Give them a second life as wind chimes. Attach old trowels, forks, and spades to a sturdy branch or rod using string or wire. Add decorative beads or painted wooden pieces for color. When the breeze passes through, enjoy the soft clinking sounds that evoke memories of days spent digging and planting. It's an artistic and musical tribute to your gardening years. Number 5. Mason jar lanterns. Create warm garden lighting using mason jars you have lying around. Fill them with fairy lights or tea candles, then hang them from hooks, trees, or shepherd's poles. You can even wrap them with lace or twine for a cozy, nostalgic look. These lanterns are perfect for evening garden strolls or backyard gatherings, creating a magical glow that's both safe and beautiful. A simple craft with a big impact. No bending or wiring required. Number 6. Rain boot planters. Those worn-out rubber boots can still do a great job, just not on your feet. Drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage. Fill with soil and plant colorful flowers inside. Line them along a pathway or place them on your porch. It's a delightful way to bring a splash of color and fun to your garden using something you might have thrown away. No tools, no stress, just good old-fashioned creativity. Number 7. Ladder plant stand. An old wooden ladder can become a beautiful tiered plant display. Paint it, distress it, or leave it natural. Place potted plants on each rung, from tallest at the top to trailing plants at the bottom. It adds vertical interest and saves space, making it easier to garden without bending down. This project is especially helpful for seniors who enjoy gardening but need things raised up to waist level. Number 8. Bicycle planter display. Do you still have that old bicycle from your younger years? Don't let it rust away. Turn it into a garden centerpiece. Place baskets over the handlebars and rear seat to hold flowering plants or ivy. Lean it gently against a wall or anchor it into the ground. It creates a nostalgic, romantic feel, combining vintage charm with natural beauty. Perfect for those who want to mix gardening with cherished memories. Number 9. Tin can herb garden. Save those used cans from the kitchen and turn them into a wall-mounted herb garden. Clean them thoroughly, paint them in cheerful colors, and nail them to a wooden board or fence. Add soil and plant herbs like basil, parsley, or mint. Not only is this project budget-friendly and eco-conscious, but it also keeps fresh herbs within easy reach. No kneeling or digging required. Number 10. Broken pot fairy garden. Don't toss broken clay pots. Transform them into miniature fairy gardens. Use shards to create small steps, walls, and terraces inside the main piece. Plant tiny succulents or moss and add miniature figurines like houses or fairies. It's a whimsical way to bring magic to your garden and a relaxing craft that doesn't require heavy lifting. These charming scenes bring smiles to every age. Number 11. Drawer planter boxes. Do you have old dresser drawers sitting in storage? Give them a new life as colorful planter boxes. Line the inside with plastic or landscape fabric. Fill with soil and plant flowers, herbs, or succulents. You can stack them, place them on stands, or even set them directly on the ground. Their shallow depth makes them perfect for small plants, and their vintage wood adds rustic charm to any garden corner. Number 12. Painted rock markers. Collect smooth rocks from your yard or nearby nature walks and paint them with the names of your plants. Use bright, weatherproof paint and have fun decorating each one. Place them in your garden beds or pots for easy plant identification. This activity is perfect for seniors looking for a low-energy, relaxing craft that adds a touch of personality to the garden. Number 13. Shutter garden wall. Old wooden window shutters can become a stunning vertical garden display. Mount them on a fence or wall and attach small pots, jars, or hooks for plants and decorations. Paint the shutters in soft pastels or whitewash them for a vintage look. This is a great space-saving option for smaller gardens or balconies, and it brings a bit of cottage charm into your outdoor sanctuary. Number 14. Bird bath from plant saucers. Stack a few terracotta pots upside down and place a large plant saucer on top to create a DIY bird bath. Decorate the base with paint, tiles, or stones for a personal touch. Birds will love this cool, clean water on warm days, and you'll love watching them splash and drink. This project is great for seniors. No complex assembly, just a love of nature and gentle crafting. Number 15. Window frame garden mirror. Have an old window frame with broken or missing glass? Replace the panes with mirrored pieces and hang it against a garden wall. It reflects the greenery around and creates the illusion of more space. The aged wood combined with mirror glass gives a timeless, elegant feel. This is a great upcycling idea that adds light and charm to shady corners. Number 16. Hanging spoon garden signs. Use old spoons or flatware to make fun and functional garden labels. Flatten the spoon heads and use a metal stamping kit or permanent marker to write the plant name. Stick them into the soil near your herbs and vegetables. This is a simple and engaging activity, and it's a wonderful way to repurpose old silverware into something useful. Number 17. Crate flower tower. Stack old wooden crates to build a vertical flower tower. Secure them with nails or screws and plant inside each crate. You can paint them or leave them natural for a rustic look. This vertical arrangement saves space and lifts your flowers closer to eye level. Perfect for gardeners who prefer not to kneel or bend down. Number 18. Garden Memory Bench. Use reclaimed wood or old furniture parts to create a simple garden bench. Decorate it with carved names, painted memories, or mosaic tiles from broken plates. It becomes a special place to sit, rest, and reflect on life's garden, both literal and personal. This is a meaningful project for seniors that turns old scraps into a legacy piece. And there you have it, 18 simple, joyful DIY garden projects that turn everyday junk into garden gems. Whether you tried 1 or 20, we hope these ideas bring more beauty, creativity, and joy into your garden. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more relaxing garden inspiration. And let us know in the comments which project you'd love to try first. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being part of the Nostal Garden family. Until next time, happy gardening and happy memories.